program tells you that tells you that there should be a connection between the client and the server. Understand? There should be a connection between the client and the server, and you have to send only the contents. That is, understand? I'll show like in figure. Wait. Oh, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನ ಇದೇ use start ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Sorry. Wait. I have not given the this one, right. Sorry. Screen. Start broadcasting. Can you see the screen right now? ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this program tells you have to do this like this program. The working of this program is like this. Understand? There is one server or there is one client. There is one client. Client will be present. There is one server or a sender. Understand? A sender should be present. Sender. Now I need to give a communication between the client and with the server, and sender with the receiver, or like sender to the client. That is, I need to give a two-way of communication. That is, this should be communication. The communication is not within one channel. It should be done between the two channels. That is, with the client and with the sender. How it should be connected, and you have to show the connection in such a way that by sending a file from client to the sender. This third program number 3 tells you that, or the task of this program number 3, you have to send a file name. You have to open one terminal should be open, that is for client. This is one terminal T1, this is another terminal T2. Two terminals should be open. This is with the sender, and two programs should be written. One program with the client side, another program to the sender side. Understand? One program should be written on the client side, another program should be written on the sender side. And you have to save the file. That you all know that how to save the file is the file name. The file should be saved by using a class name. Are you getting? Class name will be given the same name. Like example, client. If I write the program like class client, the same name, that is client dot java. The same like sender dot java. Anything name is depends on your convenient. Okay. Now, and you have to give super user permission. This is very important to the program. You have to give a super user permission. When I give my super user permission at the client side, it states that I am allowing my sender to access all the files. Understand? If I give a super user permission, I am insisting my sender that I'm allowing my client, as a client, I am telling to the sender, you can access my file. Are you getting? Third program will do in such a way that, or the task of the third program, you have to send, you have in the client, you have to just give a file name. Understand? You have to just give a file name. Like example, in my code or in my system, I will be having one.txt. Understand? One.txt file will be present. One.txt file will be present. Like content of this one.txt is something like AA, something, anything the content will be there. Just I need to send a file name. What is the file name now? The file name is one.txt. If I send this file name, that is one.txt, to the server should communicate with the client stating that yes, one.txt is present and the content of one.txt is as shown below. Are you getting how this code works? Understanding? Getting the code?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
We'll check with the code. First, we'll check with the code how the connection is made. Understand? Two codes has been written. One is at the client. One is the third program states that TCP/IP socket write a client server program to make the client to send the file name. Just I'm sending my file name, and to make the server to send back the requested if and only if the file is present. You have to send back the content to the client as usual. Are you getting? I'm just throwing a message that yes, your file is present. Take down the file name. Yes, your file is present. The content of the file is as shown below. Are you getting? Now we'll go with this one. What is that? Code. Import java.net. .net is nothing but it is in package name. Understand? Java.net .star. Not Java is in main package. Dot is in sub package. Net is nothing but connection. That is in connection package. That is between the client and the server. We are going to use .net .star. That is star. I'm including all the class, so I'm using .star. That you know. Import java.io.star. That is io is nothing but input output. Getting? .star. The class receive file public static void main pros and exception. Pros and exception because here we'll be getting n number of errors. Understand? You will be getting n number of errors is nothing but like n number of errors is nothing but okay, n number of errors is nothing but see, understand, socket s is equal to new socket localhost comma 123. The host number, that is two parameters we have passed. One is localhost and one is 123. Why we are using a localhost? Why we are not using or why the IP address? Understand, we are executing the program in a single system. Understand, we are executing our program, that is we are executing the third in a single system. So we are using a local host where this client and the server connection will be done within a single system. So I'm using a parameter called localhost. If I need to use or if I need to connect between the LAN connection, that is one system to the another system, you have to give it your IP address. Are you getting? Accept the files. And next is buffer reader k is equal to new buffer reader input stream dot system dot in. That is taking an input from the keyboard, that is name, and enter the file name. You have to give the file name, and it reads the file name, byte by byte. That is write byte file name plus n to read the data from the file. And buffer reader. This is all your task. It is all a simple Java program to take the input from the keyboard and to take the file name single bit by bit. Yes, sir. Copy. See, to save the file. That is, are you getting? If the file is present, it states see this line states that the same like your program, that is structured program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಫೈಲ್ ನ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same code we have used over here. Only one thing we have used, that is connection we have used. How to use the connection? That is by using localhost comma 123. 123 is nothing but the file that is 123 localhost comma 123. It is a file description name. Understand? It is a file description name where I am connecting the connection of the server. The same name. Understand, the same name, that is 123. If I use the same number should be used on the server side. Can you see? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So here we are using two parameters. Socket s is equal to new socket localhost 123. I am connecting my connection at the server side. I am calling only one socket, that is only one parameters 123. I am receiving. Understand, I'm receiving from the client. So I'm using only one parameter. This will be done in your syllabus, that is in your SEN. ಅಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಲ್ಲಣ್ಣ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದು PDF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
PDF ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದು.
ಇದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇದು? ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಏನಪ್ಪ
ಆ ಕಡೆ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತೊಳ್ಳೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಅಣ್ಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫೋನ್. ಬಾಯ್.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ?
ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸರ್.
ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಇದು? ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.